All right, now getting back to the Nakia Creek fire and those winds, they have calmed down tonight, but a lot of people are really concerned on which direction the winds might be pushing that fire. Right now, it's quite a ways out there, but there's a huge evacuation area as people wait to see where those winds go.
That's exactly right. Matter of fact, we were watching the winds today, Wayne, from the east and strong, up 40, even 50 miles an hour at those ridge tops. Now they've gone calm tonight, and it'll be a light westerly wind tomorrow with a lot more relative humidity. So those are all good signs for the firefighting effort out there in Clark County coming up tonight and into this week, because that fire is not going to go anywhere this week. There is no major change in the overall weather pattern until we get to about next weekend, maybe on Friday. So until then, I don't see any rapid fire growth, but they're definitely going to have some stuff to mop up coming up this week. Okay, live outside right now in Seaside, down there along the beach. It was a beautiful day there yesterday. Temperatures in the mid, even upper 80s on the northern Oregon coast, but a cool day today. Morning clouds, some afternoon sun, back down to 55 right now. Quiet evening out there. A quiet evening here in the Rose City. Temperature 63 degrees right now. The relative humidity now up to 70%. It was up into the mid-70s at this time last night, so we're a lot cooler and more moisture in the air, in the atmosphere, and that also helps for fire suppression as well. And notice the winds are now calm. That's a big factor in our forecast coming up. And I took this earlier today. This is a visible satellite photo from 23,000 miles out in space. You see the Cedar Creek fire down there in central and southern Oregon, and there's the Nakia Creek fire and the other two fires in the Gifford-Pinchot National Forest there in Washington. So you can see it all the way from out in space. What we can also see on visible satellite as we put this into motion right now are the fog and low clouds that are hugging the coast. They're going to surge inland overnight tonight. That'll begin to cool us down as we move into your Monday. That system's going up into Alaska, big ridge of high pressure up over the entire west coast. That's going to stay there most of this coming week. Coming up. Okay, record high temperatures today. Portland 86, that beat the old record of 80 back in 2020, and then Troutdale 83, and then a couple of 86s also at Hillsboro and Vancouver. And I was just putting all the numbers together and crunching them. This is the hottest weekend, Saturday and Sunday, this late in the year on record at the Portland International Airport, and those records go back to about 1940. Notice these temperatures here just in the northern end of the valley, southwest Washington, up into the mid and upper 80s. Salem was 92 yesterday, but you could only manage 76 because you didn't have that offshore flow there like you did yesterday. Same thing with the northern Oregon coast today as well. In 70s and 80s over there on the central and east side of the state. Air quality warning, that's still in place until Monday at 5 from basically the Canadian border all the way down I-5 to the California border, again, until Monday at 5. Smoke forecast, that's going to be hanging around this week as well, especially from the Nakia Creek fire and the Cedar Creek fire, along with some other ones up there in Washington, east of Seattle near Snoqualmie. And that'll spread into the gorge as we start to get a westerly wind by the time we get to Tuesday afternoon. So we'll be keeping an eye on that carefully. Okay, day planner on your Monday. Cloudy skies in the morning. Fog and low clouds move in from the coast, but then they burn off in the afternoon, and those temperatures will be quite a bit cooler than today. We're going for about low 70s tomorrow. Okay, here it is, 7:30 in the morning on your Monday. You've got the low clouds in the valley and along the coast. Afternoon sunshine. Then tomorrow night and into Tuesday morning, same thing there, except we have a lot less in the way of morning clouds on Tuesday, and that leads to a lot more sunshine once we get into Tuesday afternoon. I think Wednesday is going to be the nicest day in the next 7. That may be our last 80-degree temperature coming up. 72 for tomorrow, morning clouds, afternoon sunshine on Tuesday, 76. Wednesday, there it is, I'm going 80. That would be a record high for the day, and the last time we're probably likely to see that this year. I don't think many people will argue with that. And there it is, Wayne, the big fall change, the pattern change we've been talking about, showers and cooler next weekend.
Yeah, maybe the fall change will happen before winter. We'll see. Okay, thanks.